Now it's Eid al-Fitr for Muslims across of India today, and community has largely stayed indoors amid this nationwide lockdown. Large gatherings were given a miss as people carried out Eid prayers from homes. Mosques bore a deserted look as coronavirus outbreak cast a shadow on otherwise pompous celebrations. But this year, celebrations have been different for people who were seen spending time with their loved ones at home, donning festive outfits and setting the mood in with some great food. Family members spent their time together indoors only to ensure safe distance and to ensure that they have Eid celebrations with their family and their loved ones without risking any lives. This time festivities went virtual as well, as families connected with one another through video chats and conference calls, making the most of what the digital world has to offer. In fact, the process of giving charity or zakat was also done online, making a whole new style of Eid festivities this time around, not only in India, but around the globe.
मेरी सबसे अपील है सब लोग सरकार की गाइडलाइंस का पालन करें और लॉकडाउन का भी पालन करें और सब लोग ईद मनाएं, अपने घरों पर रह के ईद मनाएं, अपने परिवार के साथ ईद मनाएं और ईद सबको जब भी मुबारक होगी जब सब लोग कोरोना वायरस से बच सकेंगे.
As per the rules and regulations here, we are not supposed to invite any close relatives or friends. So it's just a small affair with my family, my wife, 3 children, and my in-laws who have come here during March, and they've not been able to go back during the lockdown. But fortunately, they are here with us to celebrate Eid, so which is a good thing, and we should be. And everybody stay safe, stay at home, and celebrate Eid with all you can. So to not dampen the spirits, we are all dressed up here in our Eid dresses. As per the rules and regulations here, we are not supposed to invite any close relatives or friends. So it's just a small affair with my family, my wife, 3 children, and my in-laws who have come here during March, and they've not been able to go back. Not dampen the spirits, we are all dressed up here in our Eid dresses, in our new dresses to keep the spirits up. And my parents back home, they are also there celebrating Eid away from us. We do miss them, and hopefully we'll be able to celebrate Eid with them next time. So Eva?
Eid Mubarak. Stay home, stay safe.
We've definitely missed out on our cousins and other close friends and family, usually whom we gather with. But yes, again, we've got technology to help us there. We've compensated it with some video chats, and so nothing beats a warm Eid hug, but it's this way this time for us and for everyone. So let's all stay home and be safe.
With the end of the holy month of Ramzan, today the festival of Eid is being celebrated across the country. Perhaps it is the first time when this festival will be celebrated surrounding a deadly virus. Perhaps it is the first time when people would not be able to hug and greet each other on the occasion of this holy festival. Currently, we are at Jama Masjid. In the visuals, you can see not only the Delhi police has been deployed here, but even the paramilitary forces has also been deployed in the parts of Old Delhi to ensure that people should not gather in huge number, and their work is to make sure that the social distancing is being followed in the parts of Old Delhi. Only few people can be seen here, and to an extent they are observing the art of social distancing. So this is the first time when Eid is being celebrated surrounding a deadly virus. With camera person Ajay, Nikhil Lakhwani, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.